The economic importance of agriculture has declined since independence, when its share of GDP was around 53%. After the poor crop harvest in 1993, the government introduced agriculture assistance policy, including increasing agricultural commodity support prices and expanding agriculture credit. From 1993 to 1997, the real average in the agriculture sector has been 5.7%, but has since fallen to 4%. Agriculture reforms, including increasing wheat and basil production, play a central role in the government's economy reforms package. Outdated irrigation practices have caused inappropriate use of the water in Pakistan. About 25% of the water withdrawn from agriculture use is lost due to the leakage and line losses in the canals. Only a limited amount of water is actually absorbed and consumed by the crops due to the poor soil structure and the non-farm fields. Most of Pakistan agriculture production is consumed by the country's growing processed food industry. During the 90s, the value of retail sales increased by 12% annually and was estimated at about 1 billion in 2000, although only 10% of the supermarket had a share of stores. The Federal Bureau of Statistics had estimated the value of large crop production in 2005 at Rs 54 million 54,868 million, thus increased by more than 55% since 2000, while the production of minor crops in 2005 amounted to Rs was estimated. Thus, in the export-related agriculture sector since 2000, there is the Rs 288.18 billion in agriculture sector, including cereals, vegetables, fruits, tobacco, fishing products, spices, and livestock. According to the Economic Survey of India, the livestock sector contributes half of the value added to the agriculture sector, which accounts for about 11% of Pakistan GDP, which is higher than the crops sector. The well-known Daily Jung report that the national herd includes 24.2 million cattle, 26.3 million buffaloes, 24.9 million sheep, 56.7 million goats, and 0.8 million camels. In addition, there is a very vibrant poultry department in the country that produce more than 30 billion birds annually. These animals produce 29.472 million tons of milk. Pakistan makes it the fourth largest producer of milk in the world. 1.15 billion tons of beef, 0.740 million tons of mutton, 0.416 million tons of poultry, 8.528 billion eggs, 40.2 thousand tons of wool, 21.5 thousand tons of hair, 51.2 million skins and hides. The Foods and Agriculture Organization reported in June 2006 that the government measures were being taken to modernize milk collection in Pakistan and improve the storage capacity of milk and milk products. The Federal Bureau of the Statistics had temporarily valued the sector at Rs 758,470 million in 2005, thus recording a more than 70% increase since the 2000. The fishery and the fishing industry plays an important role in Pakistan's national economy, with the coastline of approximately 1,046 km. Pakistan has plenty of fishery resources which are still fully developed. It is also an important source of export earning. Agriculture is also a fast-growing industry in Pakistan, especially in Punjab. Province fish farming has grown rapidly. Gift tilapia culture has recently been introduced in Pakistan, especially in the province of Punjab.